everyone. What's going on? Welcome back to Health and Care. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite veggies, the humble cucumber. Who knew this refreshing snack had so many secrets up its sleeve? Here are some cool facts about cucumbers. Hydrating. Cucumbers are made up of about 96% water, making them one of the most hydrating foods. Low in calories. Cucumbers are very low in calories, with a single slice containing only 4 calories. Rich in vitamins. Cucumbers are a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as potassium and antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. Cucumbers contain anti-inflammatory compounds like fisetin, which may help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Supports digestive health. Cucumbers contain fiber and water, making them a great food for supporting digestive health and preventing constipation. Natural remedy. They are a natural remedy for sunburn relief. Simply apply a slice of cucumber to the affected area to reduce heat and itching. May help lower blood pressure. The potassium content in cucumbers can help lower blood pressure and support heart health. Supports skin health. Cucumbers are often used topically to soothe and calm skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. May help reduce cancer risk. Cucumbers contain antioxidants and other compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Supports bone health. Cucumbers contain vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and may help reduce the risk of fractures. May help reduce anxiety. Cucumbers contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which may help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. And, fun fact, cucumbers are actually a type of fruit. Yeah, I know, it's a game changer. As the great foodie, Julia Child, once said, the only time to eat diet food is while you're waiting for the steak to cook. But, let's be real, cucumbers are the real MVPs here. They're the ultimate low-calorie, guilt-free snack. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can stay up to date on all our latest health and wellness content.